Hello guys, this is Rujan and I'm your companion. Yes guys, you listened it right and I'm your friend. So guys, I'm gonna help you in a different kind of way. Yes guys, I'm gonna help you. I make your studies easier of 10 syllabus, Telangana State Board. I'm gonna explain you all the subjects of this board. Yes guys. So guys, I'm gonna teach you the theory part, the problems, the diagrams, and I'm gonna explain the question and answer which are based on this chapter. And I'm gonna see you some extra question and answers. Yes guys, what you need. This is only no guys. Yes guys, don't miss our video every day. I think it's my second video on YouTube. Guys, don't miss it. I uploaded my trailer of my YouTube at first video. Thank you for your response guys, and let's start our channel. And we are going to start physical science first chapter, reflection of light at curved surfaces. The first chapter of physical science. Yes guys, let's start it without wasting the time. Yes guys. Today's session will be interesting guys. So yeah. So we gonna learn this chapter. Reflection of light. At which surface guys? It's at curved surfaces. The reflected light. Yes guys, its meaning is the reflected light which is at the position of curved surface. In which surface guys, this chapter is mainly dependent on this curved surfaces. All the diagrams, all the ray diagrams, all that. And guys, this chapter main source is our lenses. This chapter main source are lenses. We all know we use lenses all in our daily life. Yes guys, we see our faces in lens, as usually it is a mirror. We see it. Yes guys, without it the day don't be. And we use goggles or spectacles for the clear vision of some people. Yes no guys, and this lens is involved in that. And the first lens which is important in this chapter is none other than our concave lens. It is very important in our chapter, in this chapter. And the second one is convex lens. Yes guys, it is very important. These two are the most important source of this chapter. Yes guys, so I'm gonna say you the simple answer for all these your questions. Guys, don't forget, if you have a doubt, please mention in the comment box so that I can understand whether you're understanding or not. Yes guys, let's start our session. So guys, if someone asks you that what is concave lens, so you can give a simple answer. Yes guys, a word, a definition of a word. It contains a definition of a word. Yes guys, and I'm gonna say you that concave lens is known as a reflecting surface. Yes guys, it's a simple word of answer. Concave lens is known as reflecting surface. It's a reflecting surface. It's gonna be reflector. For suppose, guys, I'm gonna explain you deeply. If you have a torch and you are inserting that light from mirror and it is going opposite side and it is passing from the mirror, so it is known as a reflecting source. What it is happening, it is reflecting its light from the mirror. Yes guys, so for example, this concave lens is used as in torchlight in telescopes and etc. Yes guys, the torchlight will reflect the light to see us in the night. Yes no guys, and the second one, which is also an important source, is convex. This also plays an important role, but it is a convex lens. Yes guys, if someone asks you that, if your teacher only asks that what is convex lens, what your answer might be. Yes guys, you guessed it right, and the answer is the convex lens is non-reflecting surface. It's a simple word. Convex lens is known as non-reflecting surface. As non-reflecting non-reflecting surface. Yes, guys. I said that I'll teach you about the important rule. This chapter is mainly dependent on these two only, guys, are lenses, concave or convex. And guys, let's do an activity to find normal. Yes, guys, let's do an activity to find normal. And we have to mention here an activity. Activity 1. Activity 1. What is the necessary of this activity 1? I am saying that there is a necessary of this activity 1 to find the normal or to find the nature of the concave or convex. We can see these also, guys. And the materials which are required to make this activity. Required to make this activity, those are 3 nails. Three nails. Nails plays the important role. And the second one which we need is a piece of rubber from our slipper. Rubber. Yes, guys, from our slipper. For example, I'm gonna show you the picture of that rubber. Slipper. Yes, guys, it's from slipper. You can cut it by scissor. So I'm going to draw a rough diagram, guys. So cut this type of piece, not in the exact measurement, but too small. Okay, guys, too small. And now this is the first one. And the second one, you have to insert these 3 nails as parallel, step by step, in this piece of a rubber. As parallel, step by step, guys. Don't get hurry burry. Okay, guys, we have to arrange same as this. And the next one, okay, guys, with the first one, you have to think those nails as normals. Think those nails are normals. And think those sorry, it's in singular form now. Think the rubber as mirror. Yes, guys, you have to think it as a mirror or lens. Yes, guys, you have to think first those 3 nails as normal, and the second one you have to think the rubber as a mirror. Yes, guys, we are proving it as. And next one, you have to bend the piece of rubber like I'm showing. Yes, guys, when you bend it, these nails are in a parallel, step by step. But when you bend it, they are making a points. You can observe that they are making a points. I said that are the normals, no, guys. So they are converging at a point. They are making a point. Converging means they are going and they are mixing. They are making the point. Yes, guys, they are making a point. And note this diagram. This is a very important diagram. And the second one, you have to bend these rubber in a bulged form. So these nail gonna be distracted from each other. For example, when we observe in our previous classes, we learned about magnets. When you get attracted, the magnets get attracted in opposite sides, north and south, get be attracted. But when you place north and north, it get repulsed. So as it is going to repulse. They are diverging their points and they are not making their points. I said that they are not making the point. Yes, guys, these two are the main. And the last final step is this is the concave lens and this is the convex lens. So concave lens converge and make a point, and that the convex lens do not converge. Yes, guys, they do not converge. They diverge. They diverge. That is the same difference between these concave and convex, proving it as an activity 1. That's all, guys. They are diverging and they are converging lenses. And the concave is known as an converging lenses and convex is known as a diverging lens, guys. You have to note it is. And the second one I'm gonna tell you about is pole. Next one I'm gonna tell you about pole. Pole, guys. So what is pole? What is the cause of pole? When we use the pole in our ray diagrams. Yes, guys, you listened it right. We are going to use or we are going to draw the ray diagrams in this chapter. We are going to learn. These ray diagrams are fully dependent on the lenses. According to lenses, the ray diagrams will be made. Yes, guys. And for that, for examining the pole, I'm going to draw a ray diagram. I'm just taking a concave lenses. I'm just taking a concave lens. You have to draw as same as I'm drawing, but I'm drawing as a rough surface. So guys, you can observe that I made a point here. This point is known as a pole. Yes, guys, this point is known as a pole. And you have to write it in every ray diagram. That's the main, and you have to mention it as capital P. The pole is mentioned as capital P in ray diagrams. And the definition of this pole is known as the midpoint. Yes, guys, it is the midpoint. Yes, the midpoint of ray diagram. Ray diagram known as pole. And we have to mention in ray diagram pole as capital P. Yes, guys, we have mentioned that it is a midpoint of a lens, so it is known as a pole. And the another name of this pole is optic center. Yes, guys, it's another name of this is optic center. And let's continue our class with another examples and another deviations. So we have learnt about lenses and pole, and let's learn about the center of curvature. Center of curvature. What is center of curvature? What is the use of center of curvature? What are the causes of center of curvature in ray diagram? This is also used in ray diagrams. Yes, guys. For example, I'm gonna draw a concave lens roughly. This line indicates concave lenses. So guys, I said that this is a pole and we have to mention it as P. And the line would be passing from this concave lens. I said that it is a rough diagram. So guys, this is a C. I'm saying that this is a C. How? Because in activity 1, we learned about normals. All the normals converge at a point and they are known as a center of curvature. That point is known as a center of curvature. And the definition of this is same as it is. All normals converge at a point known as center of curvature. Yes, guys, this is known as a center of curvature, and the center of curvature is indicated in every ray diagram, and it is mentioned as capital C in every diagrams. and let's learn about principal axis. And let's learn about principal axis. Third one, principal axis. For that, we have also to draw a ray diagram. So I already said that I'm just taking concave lens. This indicate lenses. I already said that it is a pole, and the line which is passing or which is cutting this pair from the middle, it is known as a principal axis. This line is known as a principal axis, and we doesn't have to mention this in a ray diagram. Yes, guys, we doesn't have to mention it. It's a none of our business. We doesn't have, but we have to draw this line in every ray diagram. And the principal axis definition has many definitions. It has many definitions. In one of them are the line which is passing from yes, guys, the line which is passing from spare ray diagram. So we're gonna mention it as ray diagram. Is known as principal axis. And there is a nothing, we doesn't have to mention this name, and we have to draw every principal axis on every ray diagram. And the next one is radius of curvature. The fourth one is radius of curvature. If you observe that we have commonly a name in center of curvature and radius of curvature, that is curvature. We have a commonly used this word. So for this we have to draw a ray diagram and pole necessary, it is very necessary, and the center of curvature. Yes, guys, here an object is there. I am taking an object as candle. I'm taking an object as candle and I'm placing that object in principal axis. And the line, and it has a two rays, and one is going straightly in the lens and it gets reflected, and the second one is crossing from the middle of pole and center of curvature, and that is known as the radius of curvature. The line which passes from the middle of pole and center of curvature is known as the radius of curvature. So guys, let's write the definition. The line which passes which goes from middle of P and C. Yes, guys, P and C is known as this radius of curvature, and it is mentioned as R, capital R. It is indicated as capital R. Radius of curvature is indicated with capital R, and it is not a necessary thing. It is we doesn't have to mention it as when the line passes from it, we have to mention it. That's all. And the next one we're gonna learn we have learned about the important role of this chapter and lenses, pole, principal axis, center of curvature and radius of curvature. Yes, we have learned it. And the next one is focal or focus or focal length. Yes, guys. We are going to learn about, I think it's fifth one. Yeah, guys. We're going to learn about focus. Focus. Yes, guys. For this also, we are doing a simple activity, not an activity. Just think like that. Yes, guys. Think like that. The first one, I'm just taking a materials. Materials required for this activity are a piece of paper. Yes, guys, a small amount of piece of paper. Next, concave lens. Concave lens. Yes, guys, a piece of paper, a concave lens, and a light source. Light. So we are doing this activity in dhaba. Yes, guys, we are going to do this activity in upper side of our house. Yes, guys, there we get a sunlight. So for that only we are doing this. To find this focus, we need a sunlight or light source. So guys, for this also we have to draw a ray diagram. Concave lens we have to know, guys. And this is a principal axis, pole. So I'm gonna mention this only. Yes, guys. This one only. Yes, guys. I said that here. So when I keep a paper slowly in the sunlight, so paper works as a sheet or just like in screen. Paper works as a screen, and the concave lens is a reflector, and the light source is a light. Yes. So slowly we have to move the paper in front of a concave lens or in front of a sunlight or light source. So we have to choose a bright point where the sunlight is going to be insert in those one, and that point is known as an focus point or focal length. Focus point or focus. So guys, these are the sun rays. Sun rays. This is a principal axis, don't think it as sun rays. This is a principal axis, and they are also making a point. So guys, I'm gonna draw a neat diagram of it. Sorry for the purpose. I'm gonna draw a neat diagram. So I'm gonna draw you small concave lens, principal axis. Here you can find something here, guys. So these are going to be reflected, and they are meeting at a point. This point is known as an F, focus point. Yes, guys. When the sunlight which reflects at a concave lens or at principal axis, they converge at a point. That point is known as a focus. Yes, guys, that point is known as a focus. It is a concave lens, but it is not possible or quietly possible to convex lens. We doesn't know about it. And let's continue our class. And guys, today we're gonna learn the introduction. I said that we are going to learn the introduction of this chapter. The main theme is on the next video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Press the like button, share, comment. And you have doubts, please comment in a comment section. Yes guys, don't be shy. And the next one, the important formula in this chapter is 1 by f. 1 by f means it is a focal length. Yes guys, it is a focal length, and 1 by v plus 1 by u. So yes guys, it is a focal length. Focal length, we usually know that I explained before it. And is an image distance. Yes guys, image distance. For example, concave lens, principal axis, pole. Oh sorry guys, I'm gonna keep it in the middle of this one, pole and its center of curvature. So guys, these one are making an image bigger. So this image is formed here. Yes guys, truly this image is higher than this one, this object one. Yes guys, this is reflecting, so it is bigger. Even ఎందుకు అయిపోయింది? Oh no. So it is bigger. So yes guys, so image distance means the distance from image to pole is known as an yes guys, it's known as an image distance. Yes guys, it's known as an image distance. And what is an object distance? U is known as an object distance, and object distance is the distance from object to pole is known as an object distance. Yes guys. Now let's learn about the magnification. Let's learn about the magnification. The magnification is nothing but the ratio of size of image to the ratio of size of the object. Yes guys, it is nothing but the ratio of size of the image to the size of object, and this none other than magnification. It is known as magnification. So that's it is known as a magnification. Guys, if you want to copy it, please copy it. And guys, that's all for today. Let's learn tomorrow. Yes guys, and tomorrow I can explain question and answers of this first chapter. Yes guys, be ready at this time only guys. Yes guys, we have to learn and explore many things. Yes guys, and guys, like our video, share, comment. If you have a doubt guys, please comment on a comment section that whether we know that you're understanding or not. Please guys, do for it. Please guys, subscribe our channel so that we can make a very nice good and videos, and tap the bell icon for more notification and updates, and we will give the update for the reopening of schools also. Yes guys. Yes, bye for today guys. Bye guys.